everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. As you can see, in today's video I am going to show beautiful and cute fridge magnets which you can make easily with molded clay. These are super easy and you will definitely enjoy making these all. So before I start the video, do subscribe to my channel if you are watching for the first time. Don't forget to like and share if you really enjoyed watching it. Hit the bell button so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos. So without any further ado, enjoy watching the video. I am using Acrylic molded clay. I bought this pack from Amazon, which is quite economical. You can buy at ₹20 from the market. There are several separate packets of hardener and resin which we need to mix properly, otherwise it will not work fine. First I made a ball shape and flattened it like this. I made a hole in the center with the glue cap. I inserted magnet at the back part when it was wet. Now follow the process. I am trying to give it a shape of donut. Now let it dry for 2-3 hours. Till then move to another magnet. To make DIY from this clay is quite super easy, but only one thing we need to remember it is to knead it well. It should be white in color after kneading. We need to take it in small quantity as well as in equal quantity as it dries fast. So we have to keep it in mind, all these things. Now I have given the shape of vegetable chopper to this magnet. I made a hole with the toothpick. I am using this kind of magnet and pasted it at the back part while it was wet. Next one is candy magnet. Make 3 rows. And twist them together lightly. Roll it again. Now I am making the roll like this. Insert a toothpick and let it dry. For the next one, I am using a mold and inserted the clay properly inside it and left it for 2-3 hours to dry. I pasted the magnet at the back part at the same time. For the next DIY, I first roll the clay. I am making the impression with this kind of grater. We need to press it gently and take it out slowly. You can cut with the help of any card or the craft knife. Paste the magnet at the back side at the same time when the clay is wet. This biscuit magnet is also ready. Let it dry also. Move to the next magnet. I am trying to give the shape of an ice cream. With the help of card, I am making the impressions. Complete the ice cream cone with cherry. Next is the watermelon magnet. For that, simply cut the half of the circle and paste the magnet at the back side. Now coloring part begins. I am using skin flash tint for the base and for shading I am using brown color. You can use your fingers to mix the colors. Now let it dry. Now I'm coloring the donut. Use the skin color as base. I am using acrylic colors for all the magnets. I mixed brown and black for chocolate color. Now come to the ice cream. Same skin color and brown color I am using for the shading. And pink color for the cream. I used orange color for the candy stick and highlighted it with white color. Next comes this smiley. I am putting yellow color on it. For watermelon, I used 3 colors, yellow, red and green, as you can see here. This is so much fun, making these magnets and coloring them. Now I am giving them all finishing. I am giving darker shade with brown color. This biscuit also I painted with the skin color, and for the shade I used brown color. Sorry guys, I somehow couldn't record the video. Finishing part of donut is here now. White color I am using for the cream layer. I am using these 3D outliners to give it real look. Making seeds of watermelon with black CD writer. For the chopping board as well, use CD marker to write the code. Complete the smiley with the heart eyes. This is the magnet which I made with the help of my daughter's mold. I just wanted to give it a try, and this was a success. This is also looking awesome. So guys, these are all for today's video. I hope guys you liked all the magnets. Donut is my favorite one. Which one was your favorite? Please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like and share the video. It means a lot for me. Write the comments, which works as inspiration and motivates me to do better. So guys, we'll see you in the next video with more amazing crafts and DIYs. Till then, better take care of your health. Stay home, stay safe, be crafty. Bye bye.